今日はまた糸島向かってます。この1ヶ月で糸島行くのは3回目です。で、行ってる場所はいつも同じで、日の出と、それからビーチ54。今日もね、バックプリント入れに行くんだけど、今日はもう1個ね、たまたま、前 YouTube で紹介した俺が行ってる歯医者、五十肩とかアトピーを治す歯医者の友達がね、バイクがたまたま納車なんで合流して、で行き先はちょっと別になるんだけど、そんな感じで行きます。
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
よし、間もなくおめでとう。
瞬間で来るのかな。
え？あ？おはようございます。
やっぱり武道館がたまらんね。また5、6台ぐらいで来るかな。
今日2人だけや。よ
ろしくお願いします。
はい。
ヘルメット選んでしょもう。ヘルメット選んだでしょ。はい。ね。よかね。
しんいちくんのあのバイクは初めて見たな。アイナ GSX 何 cc やっと 1000cc。
めっちゃ乗りやすいです。
前の言ったと何やった
GSX。
あ、同じ？
いや違います。アイのパワーダウンしたやつ。めちゃくちゃ乗りやすい。
また来た後で飯食いくっけん今日は6月12日。あんだけ暑い暑い言ってたのに寒い寒いめっちゃ寒かった。21度とか20度ぐらいしかなかったですね。そして今日もまたビーチ54にプリントいっぱい持ってきました。寒い、風強いし今日めっちゃ乗りにくかった。うっす、寒かったよ今日はめっちゃ寒かった。
風はあるし、
冷えたね。
完食。俺は。いや、だいぶ体が温まってきた。
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Oh, いいね。これよかったね。
かっこいい。
おお、完璧。いいね。
怖え。
いいね。
いいね。完璧やん。
In the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy so neurotic and chaotic, go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing, if the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity, come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus.